Hi there. So this is going to be the simplest review which I'm going to give you about MailerLite, and because I have been using this for my client and it is working. As you can see, we have sent an email campaign to almost 3,600 contacts, and the average open rate is around 22%, and the click-through rate is 0.17%. So I'm going to give you the full overview of why MailerLite is the right choice for you and who should not get this MailerLite. Apart from that, I will share my experience of using it, the support, the pricing, the integration, everything that you need to know about to decide whether MailerLite is the right choice for you or not. So let's get started. So first of all, if I talk about the dashboard is very minimal, intuitive. So if you are a non-technical person, you don't like to mess around with different tech, then this is the simplest and most effective email autoresponder which you can buy, and it is affordable as well. We'll talk about the pricing later in this video, but right now I'm just going to give you an overview. So when you log in for the first time, you will see this kind of dashboard. You will see your latest campaign data over here, and then performance, and then you can see unsubscribed data, all the essential data which you need in order to improve your email marketing efforts. You're going to get from the dashboard. You can see how many emails you have sent over the last 30 days, how many people have opened your emails and clicks, CTR percentage, and you can see your campaign, and you can see the open rates, generated clicks, everything. So it is giving you a granular level data which you can use to optimize your email campaigns. Okay. Apart from this, from the subscriber section, you can see your contacts, and you can filter out your contacts as well. Apart from that, you have segments. For example, you have a product A and product B, product C. So you can create different segments, and based on that, you can send emails, right? And it's like tags. So for example, in ActiveCampaign, you have tags. But in MailerLite, you don't have tags, but you have segments instead of tags. Apart from that, you have group. For example, if someone, let's say, if someone has opened your email, you can create a group of those contacts who opened your email or who clicked on your email. So this is how group works. You can, apart from that, you have custom fields. You can create custom fields. For example, you might want to send your customized webinar link, or maybe something else. You can easily do that by clicking create field. Apart from that, you have stats. You can see subscriber data, for example, the average open rate, average click rate, and new subscribers, average unsubscribe rate. You see all these data, and you can see inactive contacts as well. For example, these are the inactive contacts. So those who do not interact with your email nor open it, those contacts will automatically come in inactive contacts. And then history. So from the history, you can basically see how many contacts you have imported or added. You can see all the data from here. And if I talk about the campaigns, from here you can manage your campaigns, how many campaigns you have sent and drafts, and the campaign which is scheduled, right? So currently there are 17 campaigns which is in our drafts, and I have sent over 136 campaigns. And you can create different folders to organize your campaigns. If you are running multiple products, then you need to have a different campaigns. Okay, very simple. If you want to create the campaigns, click on create campaign, and there are different types of campaign which you can send. So I'm going to create regular campaign, and from here you have two options to write your email, or maybe you can use your recent emails as well if you want to use your previous email. So I'm going to use my previous email. All right, and once you have written your email, what you can do is you can test your email and you can save it. Right now it is loading, just a second. And once you are done, click on done. Okay, you can give your campaign a name, then subject line, and then review your emails, sender email address, and you can choose to whom you want to send the email and then click on continue. If you don't send the campaign, then it will be in your draft section. Okay. And then let's talk about the automation. So automation is not that great. I mean, you can create basic automation, but if you want to create very in-depth complex automations, just like in ActiveCampaign, then that is where you cannot go with MailerLite. If your main goal is to create a very hyper personalized automations, then MailerLite is not the right choice for you. You can go with other email autoresponder. But if you just want basic email automations which works, then MailerLite can work for you. For example, these are some workflows which I created. So if I click on edit, I can show you the type of automations which you can create. Okay, you can see the stats of the automation, and then you can create the trigger point of the automation. You can add delays and emails. You can create if and else based conditional emails as well. So all the basic things which you want to do, you can easily do it with these automations, and it will keep on running once you have set this. So now let's talk about the forms. So if you are doing lead generation, then you can directly create a form and share it with your audience. And in that way, you don't have to connect any third-party tool with your email autoresponder. All the data will be collected and saved in your email autoresponder, which is MailerLite. So if you want to create the form, just click on create, and you can create different types of form. You can give it a name. It can be pop-up based. It can be embedded form, which you can embed on your website or any page that you want to embed the form. For example, this is the test form and it is going to be the embedded form. Let's click on save and continue. Let's click on add new. So basically, when the data is submitted in this form, it will be attached to a particular group, right? So you will have to choose that group later, so that later you can segment, okay, this particular contact came from XYZ form. Okay, so that therefore you need to pick the group, and then you'll be able to create the form. And once you are done, you can set up the success message as well. And once you are done, click on done. And from here you can share your form. You can change the edit group, and if you want to embed it, you can easily embed it. Okay, you get different ways to embed the form. And then you have site. You can create landing pages as well with the MailerLite, but these are not very advanced landing pages, but very basic landing pages you can create, but it can get your job done, right? If you want to just make things working, this is for you. You can preview your landing page as well. Over here, you can see in the mobile view, it just works. It's not very advanced, but it does work. And you can copy the landing page URL, and you can share it with your audience. Apart from that, you have products. Basically, if you are running any kind of e-commerce store, or if you have subscription, if you have digital product, then you can add those things here. And when somebody buys your, let's say, digital product, that email will be sent to download their digital product. Apart from that, you have account settings. From here, you can manage the default settings, let's say the company name and the time zone, MailerLite branding, whether you want to keep it or not, the default settings, okay, the sender email ID, reply to email, default logo, the brand color, tracking option, whether you, there are different things which you can do, all the settings things you can do here. And then you have the domain section. You can basically add domains, and then e-commerce integration, and then link tracking. So from here you can manage the plan and billing. So currently you can see that we are using growing plan, which costs $39 a month. So you can create the templates as well. If you want to have different templates for your different products, you can easily create the templates and save it and utilize it in your campaigns. And then let's talk about integration. So you can integrate MailerLite with webhooks API, and all the major integration is available inside MailerLite. For example, Zapier, Canva, Pabbly Connect. You can easily connect MailerLite with different tools, WordPress. If I talk about the pricing, the most important thing, so let's visit their website. So as you can see, for MailerLite, there are two plans. There is a free plan as well. So let's say you want to buy the monthly plan. It costs you $10 a month for $500. As the number increases, let's say if you take it to 5,000, then it costs you $39 a month. And if you have more than 40,000, then it will cost you $249 a month. Very affordable compared to Zapier or ConvertKit, and the email deliverability rate of MailerLite is good. It comes with a 14-day trial. You don't have to enter your credit card details before grabbing the trial, so you can check it out. The link is in the description.